Today I will talk about how can you enable shared devices on your Mi Home app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then you come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on additional settings here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on notification settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on system notifications. So then you come here to shared devices here, you click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean shared devices enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.